Hello, good afternoon guys. So I want to show you guys our fridge TV protector. It comes in different beautiful colors. It has such protector. You use it to protect your fridge, your TV from any form of voltage spark or power fluctuation. When there is power fluctuation, it protects your fridge and your television to avoid damage. It will help it to last longer, and it's very safe. It's very easy to install. You just have to plug this to the socket, then plug this side to your refrigerator. Very simple.